iPhone call recording not showing? Here's the fix. First one, check software update. Open Settings app. Scroll and tap on General, and click on Software Update. Make sure you're on the latest update. Now check your call screen and see if the recording button is back. If not, then try. Second one, enable call recording. Go to Settings, scroll to the bottom, and tap Apps. Now look for the phone option and click on it. Scroll down and tap Audio Call Recording. Turn on the toggle next to it. Third one, force restart your iPhone. Press and release volume up button, press and release volume down. Then, hold the side button until the screen goes black, and the Apple logo appears. After the restart, make a call and check if the recording button is back. If not, try next. Fourth one, reset all settings. Open the Settings app. Scroll and tap General. Again, scroll down to the bottom, and click on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then, tap Reset. A menu will pop up. Tap Reset all settings. It will prompt you to enter the passcode. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Tap Reset all settings. After resetting, make a call again. You should now see the recording option. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick tech fixes.